Which city is known as City of Seven Islands? Answer: Mumbai. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India? Answer: Bangalore. Which city is known as City of Pearls? Answer: Hyderabad. Which city is known as Gold Capital of India? Answer: Thrissur. Which city is known as Perfume City of India? Answer: Kannauj. Which city is known as Land of Lychee? Answer: Muzaffarpur. Which city is known as Coal Capital of India? Answer: Dhanbad. Which city is known as Spiritual Capital of India? Answer: Varanasi. Which city is known as Mini Mumbai? Answer: Indore. Which city is known as Silver City? Answer: Cuttack. Which city is known as Manchester City of India? Answer: Ahmedabad. Which city is known as Banana City? Answer: Jalgaon. Which city is known as Gateway of South India? Answer: Chennai. Which city is known as Evergreen City of India? Answer: Thiruvananthapuram. Which city is known as Leather City? Answer: Kanpur. Which city is known as Scotland of the East? Answer: Shillong. Which city is known as Tiger Capital of India? Answer: Nagpur. Which city is known as Venice of the East? Answer: Allappula. Which city is known as White City? Answer: Udaipur. Which city is known as City of Nawabs? Answer: Lucknow. Which city is known as City of Destiny? Answer: Vishakhapatnam. Which city is known as Temple City? Answer: Bhubaneswar. Which city is known as Grape City? Answer: Nasik. Which city is known as Sun City? Answer: Jodhpur. Which city is known as Cultural Capital of India? Answer: Kolkata. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.